Drones and missiles attack US base in Deir Ezzor, Syria. A drone and missile strike have been launched on a US-occupied military facility in the eastern Syrian province of Deir Ezzor. Wednesday night, according to reports in the local media, the attack targeted a US military station near the Al-Omar oil field in Deir Ezzor, local time. The Russian news outlet Sputnik said in Arabic that 5 huge explosions rocked the military base as a consequence of the assault, which has not yet been claimed by any party. Additionally, multiple US drones were seen flying over the region shortly after the blasts, the report said. Syria has often decried the unlawful US presence in the Levant nation, which it has consistently rejected, but Washington has yet increased its force in the country's east and northeast under the guise of protecting the oil fields from terrorist organizations.